In Vedanta, there are two very important words, Atma and Jiva. We hear them in Gita, Upanishads, and almost every spiritual discussion. But most people mix them up. Something both are same, something both are the soul, something both are the ego. The truth is very simple, but only when you hear the right explanation. So in this video, we will understand what is Atma, what is Jiva, and what exactly is Jivātma, and how all of these connect to liberation. Number 1. Atma, the pure self, not your personality, not your habits, not your mind, not your emotions. Atma is simple awareness, the silent watcher inside you. It does not get scared, it does not get angry, it does not get excited, it does not change. Atma is like the sun, always shining. When your mind is noisy, you forget this shining awareness. When your mind becomes quiet, you notice something peaceful inside you. That particular peaceful space, that silent presence, that is Atma. Now let's understand Jiva. Jiva is the individual self, the one with name, identity, emotions, habits, and karma. Jiva is the one who says, I am happy, I am sad, I am angry, I want this, I don't want that. This is my life. So Jiva feels everything. Atma just watches everything. Jiva is the one who takes birth, lives life, dies, and takes rebirth. Atma does not move. Jiva moves from life to life. Think of Atma as pure light, and Jiva is that same light covered with dust. The entire difference can be understood in one simple formula. Atma plus mind equal to Jiva. When the pure self gets covered by mind, thoughts, and karma, it becomes the Jiva, the individual soul. So Jiva is not a different thing. It is the Atma covered in layers. When the mind becomes silent, the layers fall away, and the Jiva remembers, I was always the Atma. Here is another important difference. Atma is the witness, Jiva is the doer. Atma just watches like the screen on your phone. Jiva is the movie playing on the screen. The screen never gets tired. The movie changes constantly. You cannot burn the screen. You cannot cut the screen. But the movie on it can be anything. That is the relationship between Atma and Jiva. There is only one Atma, but there are millions of Jivas. A simple example is, imagine one sun reflecting in many pots of water. The sun in the sky is one, but it looks like there are many small suns in the pots. Those small suns are like Jivas. The big sun is Atma. When the water shakes, the reflection shakes, but the real sun is steady. In the same way, our mind shakes, our life shakes, but Atma never changes. Many people say the soul takes birth again and again, but we need to understand this correctly. Atma does not take birth. Atma actually does not die. The one that takes birth is Jivātma, which means Atma plus karma plus mind plus impressions. Think of a pure drop of water. Now add salt, sugar, dirt, and chemicals to the drop. This mixed drop is Jivātma. These contents travel from one life to another. That is why the Jivātma is born. Now let's add one last word, Paramatma. Paramatma is the universal self, the infinite ocean. Atma is like a pure drop from that ocean. Jivātma is the same drop carrying karma. When the drop becomes clean again, it realizes the truth. I was never separate from the ocean. Moksha, liberation, enlightenment all mean one simple thing: the Jivātma becoming clean again. When the impressions dissolve, when the desires calm down, when the mind becomes clear, the drop becomes pure. Then it merges back into Paramatma, not physically, but in awareness. It realizes, I am not this small separate self. I am the infinite, the whole. So, in simple words, Atma is your pure, unchanging self. Jiva is the mind-bound self that experiences life. Jivātma is the Jiva carrying karma. Paramatma is the infinite ocean of consciousness. When the Jiva becomes silent and the Atma shines clearly, and this is the heart of Vedanta. You're not the small Jiva, you're the infinite Atma.